can't stay here long. My systems are failing.
Well, look on the bright side. At least we're still kicking.
This is our last stand.
Incoming. Massive wave approaching.
Let them come.
Hurry! They're right behind us!
What is this energy? It feels alive.
Initiating final upgrade protocol.
It wasn't too risky.
We believe in you, kid.
You're our only hope, Auron.
I have reached the nexus. The energy is fluctuating violently.
Auron Prime Mode unlocked. Auron Prime Mode unlocked.
Let's finish this! Eat this! Tin cans! Take that!
I have returned to claim what is mine. Kneel before me.
Your world will drown in darkness. Your reign ends now. We shall see.
This has gone too far! Surrender now!
Your resistance is futile, Auron. Auron. Get him. No! I can't.
It's over!
Never stop. Never give up. Now, Auron!
The energy, it is magnificent. I can feel the power surging.
You cannot stop the inevitable, Auron. I will die trying, Shadow.
Your reign ends here, Titan Shadow. As long as we stand united, darkness cannot win.
Incredible! There are so many possibilities.
Let's hope they're friendly this time.
We are ready for anything.